Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Smart Tech. Today, we're diving into a technology that's literally rebuilding our world, one layer at a time, 3D printing. We're going from simple plastic prototypes to intricate metal parts and even human organs. Yes, you heard that right. 3D printing is completely redefining what's possible in manufacturing. So what exactly is 3D printing? You might also hear it called additive manufacturing. Think of it like this. Instead of starting with a big block of material and carving something out, 3D printing builds objects from the ground up, layer by tiny layer, directly from a digital design on your computer. This method is brilliant because it saves a ton of material and time. Imagine designing and then printing a coffee cup, a critical car part, or even an entire house. It's happening right now. There isn't just one way to 3D print. Technology is incredibly diverse. The most common type you might see is FDM, or fused deposition modeling. This is where a plastic filament like PLA or ABS is melted and extruded to build the object. Then there's SLA, or stereolithography, which uses a UV light to precisely harden liquid resin into solid shapes, creating incredibly detailed models. For more industrial applications, you have SLS, or selective laser sintering, which uses a powerful laser to fuse together powdered materials. And perhaps most impressively, there's metal 3D printing, which uses fine metal powders like titanium or stainless steel to create high-strength parts for industries that demand perfection. The real-world applications are where things get truly mind-blowing. In the aerospace industry, giants like SpaceX and GE are 3D printing rocket engine components and jet turbine blades. This makes them lighter, stronger, and cheaper to produce. In healthcare, the impact is life-changing. Doctors are printing custom-fit prosthetics and dental implants that are perfectly tailored to a patient. We're even seeing breakthroughs in bioprinting, where researchers are creating living tissues and moving towards printing entire organs for transplants. But it doesn't stop there. In construction, companies are 3D printing entire homes in less than 48 hours using a giant concrete extruder. Universities are using 3D printers every day for rapid prototyping and groundbreaking research in materials science. Even the fashion world is getting in on the action, with designers creating bespoke 3D printed clothing and shoes that fit you and only you. Beyond all these cool applications, 3D printing offers significant environmental benefits. Because it only uses the exact amount of material needed, it drastically reduces manufacturing waste. When you combine this with the use of recycled plastics and biodegradable filaments, it represents a huge leap towards a more sustainable future. And what's next? Imagine 3D printing your dinner or creating replacement organs on demand using bioinks made from your own cells. The future is closer than you think. 3D printing isn't just about technology, it's about bringing creativity to life. Think about it. You could design and print your own smartphone case, custom car parts, or even unique furniture, all from the comfort of your home. If you found this as fascinating as I do, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Smart Tech for more deep dives into the tech that's shaping our world made simple. Thanks for watching.